Hey everyone, we're here at Midwest Dreamin' in Chicago. I'm here with Will Wiegler, the CMO of Steelbrick. Will, we were able to catch up with you guys at Dreamforce, and we've got a video that you guys can check out and kind of learn about Steelbrick. But for people that don't know about your product, can you just kind of give a quick overview of what you guys do?
Sure. So Steelbrick delivers a next generation CPQ software. CPQ stands for Configure, Price, Quote. And what we do is we help sales teams generate accurate and professional sales quotes, proposals, and contracts with accurate pricing and discounting rules, all in Salesforce. It's built on the Salesforce platform, so all your data stays in Salesforce. As sales teams generate quotes and proposals, it updates your forecasts and your opportunities, and so your data in Salesforce is always accurate and up to date.
So what would be the purpose of a tool like this as compared to just using like standard price books in Salesforce?
Right, so a couple of things. One is it enables you to build complex product configurations, which really native functionality in Salesforce does not do. It's very simple. It also has a guided selling element so that it can lead sales reps through the best combination of products and services and bundles for each customer based on your business rules. And it's very configurable for any sort of business. And in addition, it manages the pricing and the discounting. So if a sales rep, for example, tries to discount too deeply, it will flag it. It'll automatically use workflow rules to route it to managers for approvals, all of that sort of thing. And it keeps all the sales reps in Salesforce quoting consistently and building branded professional proposals. We find with a lot of companies that reps are quoting based on Word docs or Google Docs or spreadsheets that are on laptops or outside of Salesforce. And it really, Steelbrick CPQ helps build that standardization and uniformity across the company's sales teams.
So it just basically bolts on to what's going on with opportunities and just really provides a lot of enhanced features.
Exactly, and it works right out of the opportunity. There's a button that says new quote, you click it and you start building a quote right inside your opportunity in Salesforce.
So when we spoke to you guys at Dreamforce, you kind of talked about the features. Has there been anything new or new features or anything like that coming out?
Yeah, so the basic premise of what we do hasn't changed. We've expanded what we do, the functionality of the software. We've done a lot of work with renewals, for example, so we work with a lot of subscription-based companies, and that's always a challenge, is the whole renewal process.
Yeah.
With Steelbrick, if you're selling renewable assets, then at the end when you make the deal closed won, it actually builds a renewal opportunity, looks at what assets are and what features are renewable and what are not. It builds the quote for the renewal, puts it in Salesforce, cues the sales guy so that he knows when a renewal is coming up. It's all built in Salesforce, and you can track that so it goes into your pipeline and your forecasts automatically. We've also been doing a lot of work enhancing the UI to make it easier to use, to make it more aligned with some of the directions that Salesforce is going in with their UI. And we've been building our customer base. So last year when we spoke, we were doing a lot of kind of mid-market customers. We're still doing that. We've also been expanding into a lot of enterprise deals and powering a lot of the unicorns that are out there like Cloudera, Marketo, manufacturing companies, enterprise companies like Mitsubishi. And so we've really kind of expanded what we do. And at Dreamforce this year, we're actually going to be a titanium sponsor. Nice. So we're going to have a very large presence there, and you won't miss us when you come to Dreamforce this year.
Awesome. We'll definitely be there. Going back to the renewal piece, that's pretty much not something standard in Salesforce, right? Like,
no,
most companies have to do something to get the renewals generated, so that's pretty interesting.
Absolutely, and we've talked to some customers who have said that they struggle with renewals, they miss renewal dates, or they miss upsell and cross-sell opportunities when it's renewal time, or if they change pricing and have ramp pricing or different tiers of pricing for different years of contracts, the renewals don't account for that. That automatically happens in Steelbrick CPQ, so that the sales rep doesn't have to worry about it, and it's just built into the product.
Okay. Well, I caught the after party last night. That was awesome. You guys sponsored that at, it was Riva Cafe, or?
Yep, that's right. It was at the Riva restaurant here on Navy Pier, which was great. We had a lot of people come, customers, prospects, people from Salesforce, people from the whole Midwest Dreamin' organization. And by the way, this is a great event. We're really happy to be here again this year.
So you were here last year?
We were, yeah,
Okay.
and it's a really interesting event because it attracts a lot of the sort of admin side of the Salesforce users, and that's a really strong audience for us
Right.
because Steelbrick is designed to be out-of-the-box CPQ. It can be implemented and administered by somebody with just basic Salesforce admin skills. That's different than a lot of the competitive products on the market where it requires software programmers and that sort of thing.
Right.
In fact, more than half of Steelbrick's customers self-implement, and it's something, again, that a standard Salesforce admin can do. So that makes it much easier and faster to deploy and much lower cost to roll out to an organization.
So if people wanted to check out your product, what should they do?
Yeah, they should go to steelbrick.com
Okay.
and check us out there. By all means, visit us at Dreamforce. You won't miss us. We'll be a big presence there. And happy to talk to anybody about Steelbrick CPQ and
right,
how
well-
we can help your sales organization.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.